Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make this different kind of paper airplane. I call it the Eagle, so let's just get started. Alright, so we start with a piece of paper just like this. Then we fold it in half, lengthwise. We open it, then we take this corner, then we fold it along the crease just to make like a triangle. Just like this. Do the same for both sides. Alright, so now we take this tip on the top, and we fold it all the way down right here to the bottom. Yeah. Right there. Okay, then we take this whole block that we just folded, and then we fold it down. Okay, so from here we take this corner, and then fold it again like along the crease to make this triangle right here. Alright, so now we fold it in half before making the wings. Like this. Okay. Then we take maybe about an inch up, then we fold the wings from there. Just like this. Make sure both of the wings are the exact same size. And if you want it to fly even better, you can add winglets, like this. Here's the plane. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, Aviation Corner. See you in the next one.